Hello friends, welcome back. Today we're going to compare the properties of two elements. So here again we're using this REPL.IT project which is existing in the past videos. If you don't see how I set it up with a kind of like custom domain name type thing, then please go to like the first video. So yeah, use assert is above or greater, assert is at most to make tests pass. So we're going to come back over here. We just did in the last exercise, we did deep equals, so now we're moving down and it seems as if that was number 7, so now we're on number 8. And so this function is used to in the test, don't edit it. So the weird numbers, delta, here we're going to return 1 plus delta minus the math.random. So this is just kind of like a random number generator. So here is above. So here, hello.length 5. So hello is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, so is at most is going to be the one that we're looking for here. So right now, what the reason that our tests are failing is because we have assert.fail. What we want to do here is inject the right function name to assert this test correctly. And so is above means like the greater than. So the length, hello.length is equal to 5. And what this thing is saying is this parameter 1 equal to this parameter 2? And so we want to say is at most in order to pass because we want this test to pass. So yeah, is at most. And so this is going to pass now because it is equal. So hello.length is 5, and so that's equal to 5. So here is 1 and 0. So is 1 greater than 0? Yeah, of course. So all right, it is. Yeah, so 1 is greater than 0. So we want to say is above. And then the two parameters being passed in will pass. And so math.py, if you go over here, you can scroll down to the bottom of this, stop the server by pressing Control-C, and you can go node. And then if you go math.py, you're going to get 3.14. And that is greater than 3, right? So math.py is greater than 3. Because that's true, right? So what we want to do is pi, the parameter in the first position, greater than the parameter in the second position? Yes, so we want to say is above. And so here, assert.fail, 1 minus math.random. Well, math.random, if you go back to the REPL, math.random is always going to be at least a number that's greater than 0. It's going to give you these kind of random numbers. It could be a little bit less than 1, or it could be much greater, much less than 1. But at the end of the day, it's not going to be that much more. So so here we have 0.15. So here we would have 0.85. Is that less than 1? Yes. So we want to say is at most. And so yeah, now we can either run it here, or we can just stop our terminal by pressing Command-C twice and then press npm, which is node package manager, and then click start. This will restart our server, and then yeah, we can take this URL here and put it back into our tests, and then we can complete the challenge. Awesome. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. We'll see you in the next lesson.